Hey folks, how you doing? Happy Sunday. And it's of all the days. Well, if you're a Bitcoiner, it's a bit of a memorable day. Memorable day. And why is it a memorable day today for Bitcoiners? Well, what is it? Sunday I don't even know what. Around the 10th of November, something like that. Maybe 11th. I don't know. Whatever it is. I guess the 10th. Anyway, it's November 2024. Anyway, and Bitcoin just hit $80,000 about, I don't know, a couple hours ago, hour and a half, maybe something like that. And did it go shooting through it? No, it did not. It met some nice sell pressure, came back down a little bit. If you look at the VRE charts, you can see exactly where it was on the weekly levels, the daily levels. If you look at the power mean ribbon, you can see where it was on the daily 4-hour, 90-minute, 33-minute, 15-minute time frames, all the way down to whatever time frame you want. Sell pressure was going to happen around there, and there was a bit of sell pressure. Nothing huge, but just people taking profits there. It is Sunday after all, and there is a trending day after all. There has been trending moves after all on the 15-minute time frame and lower, and that's no surprise since the central daily range of the VRE is once again really tight, which indicates that there's probably a trending day, and there has been so far. So far, it's been to the upside. Does that mean that it can't have a move to the downside as the day goes on? No, it doesn't mean that at all. Sure, if I wasn't already holding a trading position, like a long-term one or something, would I be buying tops right now? No. Why? Because of mean reversions, right? There's returns, and those returns distribute away from the means, and then those returns mean revert. Returns are mean reverting, right? Returns revert to the means. Price action just follows those means and then follows the price of the returns. That's all price action does. And at the most, sometimes on rare occasion, the price action is out of step with the returns. But most of the time, it's right in step and does whatever the returns are going to do. It just follows the returns. If the returns indicate that the price will go down because the returns are dropping on positive correlation, for example, then that's what the price action will do. If you see the returns expanding positively on positive correlation, then the price action is usually going to follow by going to the upside. Now, again, once in a while, it could be out of step, a candle or two, maybe even three. Eventually, at some point, the price action follows the returns. Why is that? Well, because it's the returns that determine the value for the investor, right? What are the returns on investment? That's what returns are. And it's the standard deviation of returns, in other words, the normal distribution of those returns, which are the definition of volatility. Put another way, they are the data around the mean. And the spread between that data around the mean is called variance, which is just another word for volatility. So that's why we know distribute away from means, they will eventually return to the mean. Now, does that mean it can't just keep shooting up to 100K? Yeah, it's possible. But again, if you look at very, very low time frames, you'll see there's still lots of hills and valleys along the way. So would I be betting the farm on Bitcoin going to zero right now? No, I wouldn't. Would I be betting on it going straight to 150K without any pause in between? 80K and 150K? No, I wouldn't. We know that the asset is most likely in mean reversion to the 3012 RMLR on the 7-day time frame. I've shown that to you many times. And it's been that way with the mean reversion in progress pretty much confirmed for the past week or more. And so it will be no surprise to see it complete that mean reversion sometime between now and maybe the end of the year even. Who knows? We'll see. Maybe the end of the month of November. Could happen. It could happen really fast. It's entirely possible we could see the move happen this week. You know, how much does it take to move 20K in Bitcoin? I mean, it just moved more than 10K in the last week. You know, if it does that once or twice more, it'll hit it this month. Anyway, that's why I look to low time frames for opportunities of occurrence, or occurrences of opportunity, I mean, when it comes to trading, because that's where the occurrences of opportunity exist. As long as you're holding your bag, you know, and you have what to trade with, hey, and happy trading, right? Okay, that's it for now. Talk to you later. Cheers.